Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford F-150 SuperCrew XLT, stock number 18F508A. You have chrome heavy-duty tow hooks and factory fog lights up front. There's a beautiful chrome grille here. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. You do have running boards here along the sides. And then inside there's a gray cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 3 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 6-passenger F-150. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are backup sensors on the bumper as well as a trailer hitch. There's a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed you have a drop-in bed liner that's in great shape. It is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments, and underneath the steering wheel you've got a power adjustable pedal button. Then onto the interior, on the left of the steering wheel you have cruise control buttons, and on the right side you have audio controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 23 miles per gallon. And moving over to the center, this is equipped with traction control. You have a touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your 4x4 turn dial control, and you've also got your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating, and then you do have 2 USB ports, an SD card input, and an auxiliary port here. If you'd like to get more information on this Ford or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.